In prime time news this evening, more money. COVID contingency fund increased by $3 billion as confirmed cases climbed to 13. And work from home. Business operators respond to COVID-19 containment measures, including social distancing. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. We're also talking about the coronavirus later on in the business day. Waiving fees, commercial banks relax payment penalties amid the COVID-19 pandemic.
All right, thanks, Vashon. From Vashon, we go to Spencer Darlington. Can you tell us what's coming up in sports? Spencer.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, with the spread of COVID-19, we'll continue to hear more about some postponements and cancellations. We'll tell you all about that in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: should taxi operators be granted a fare increase to offset the economic impact of carrying fewer passengers to prevent further spread of the coronavirus?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after the break.